Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. I really was not planning on vlogging today. Like, it's 2:30 and there was nothing on the agenda to vlog today. Like, hence, you know, it's a no makeup day. It is a Sunday. It's pouring with rain. Like, look at this. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see. You can kind of see, but like, the autumn coziness vibes are vibing. And look at what I'm currently doing right now. This is why I was like, I just need to pick up the camera. I'm trying out the Hotel Chocolat pumpkin spice. Like, it's already in the advertiser. I couldn't decide whether to have iced or hot, but I think I am gonna go for hot because, yeah, I just feel like the past few days I have accepted that autumn is on its way, if not here, because I am such a summer girl. Like, I absolutely love autumn, don't get me wrong. Like, I love being cozy, and I feel like when, like, every year autumn is just pushed on TikTok and like the cozy autumn vlogs come out, I'm like, oh, okay, I get it. I do get it, and it's made me want to, like, I feel like this year I'm more into it than ever before, but I was in denial for a while about summer ending, I can't lie. Like, I was actually really upset about it, but it's fine. Guys, you've got to embrace the seasons, you've got to embrace the change. I did get this jumper. I think I showed it in my last vlog. I got it from Primark. It's just small and there's such a big fit, but it's the coziest thing ever. I really love it. Anyway, it's a Sunday. This is, like, I'm just having the dreamiest Sunday right now, because usually my Sundays are like, I've got plans, or, you know, I'm with Aiden, which, don't get me wrong, amazing, I love them, but he has actually been on my brother's stag do in Dublin this weekend, and I had a lovely time, me and my mum, man-free house. My life has just been like chaos. Like, it's been a lot. I've been very, very busy with working. And I do not remember the last time I took a Sunday to myself. Actually, I can remember. I was violently hungover, but like, I just set aside this Sunday to do nothing, but also like get shit done. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, at home, sort out your room, that kind of day. And I am honestly in my element. Like, I feel like it is so needed. I guess you could call it a Sunday reset. The autumn vibes, like, I just feel really cozy and I'm not mad about it. Like, the fact it's raining right now, like, it's just amazing. Like, I'm just absolutely loving life. And I've also been sorting out my room, but like, I'm just fully aware that I think, you know, when you just start something and you now realise you got to finish it. Like, I have planned to do basically in my bed, like, all the stuff is under my bed, like autumn stuff, winter, like the pajamas, the long fluffy pajamas, and like the jumpers, the cardigans, the joggers, you know, the Uggs. Whereas my drawers are still very much been like my summer PJs and my bikinis and everything like that. So I've suddenly decided that I need to flip it all around, which is it's a big job, okay? And you should see the state of my room right now, but I also need to try and finish editing my video to go up today. It's Sunday today. I'm just not organised. Oh my god, the battery's dying. Anyway, let's actually get on with what I'm showing you. I'm going to press this again to make it extra hot. And I'm really excited to try this. I did try the matcha. Oh, oh, that was quick. Where the hell is my pumpkin mug? Oh, here it is. What I'm saying. I tried the Hotel Chocolat matcha the other day, which I'm not sure, okay, I will be honest. I liked it, but then on reflection, I'm like, would I go rebuy that? And I don't think so, because it's not the same taste as like your normal matcha, because obviously it is like chocolate, matcha favourite chocolate. Oh, I forgot about this mug, guys. Stop it. Where is this even from? I actually have no idea. I think it was Primark, you know. I need to get a new advertiser because this is my mum's, and we had a black one that she actually gave to my brother. And in case you guys don't know, and you're new here, I'm moving to London like next month. So I would personally quite love a Velvetizer. Oh no, that actually smells Guys, that smells so nice. Here we have it. I mean, you can't quite, you can see the froth. Oh my god, it looks insane. That mug is actually really cute. Right, we're doing a taste test. I also have this banana bread. Like, this is honestly the most insane banana bread in the world. It's from like my local cafe, bakery, but just seriously take a moment. Like the chocolate chips. Here we go. I love that. I love that. Got to be rude not to have a slice of this banana bread as well. Oh my god. Wow. I've put my banana bread up there so you can't get it, but I'm gonna stay eat my banana bread. I've got my candles lit here, and I'm actually just going to journal. Guys, if you don't know me, like, journaling is genuinely like my best thing to do, my favourite thing to do ever. And I feel like a Sunday reset, like journaling, like I just want to be more like, I want to slow down. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's so easy to just rush through life and like not like be present and like savor the little moments and all that. Like, so I just want to, okay, you're really ruining the vibe. That's what I'm going to do basically. I'm going to sit here with my candles lit, journal, and honestly, does life get much better than this? Because the vibe right now. What the hell? I've actually made some good improvements. You should have seen the state of my room before. I mean, it's still a mess. I've still got a lot to do, but you know, we will get there. Also, I did buy a cute little pumpkin, fluffy pumpkin from Shein, but I guess that is no longer mine. But alas, how can you say no to that face? Look what I came across during the room sort out. Can't speak. Spiced pumpkin power mist. These are from America, right? I'm pretty sure my friend got this for me when she went to America. Oh wow. Oh my god. Pumpkin spice hand sanitizer. What a find. Anyway, things are looking much better. Let me give you a little. Okay, it is much tidier now. Like, look at this corner now. Sorry. I might just run the heat room, but also there was so much stuff down here. Like, I've just cleared the floor space. All my drawers I've sorted through as well. So, improvements, guys. It was a success. And I now just want to just chill. Excuse me. What have you done to my bed? What have you done? What have you done to my bed? Anyway, I wanted to quickly show you some pieces that I've very kindly been sent from Berlook. I love their swimwear, obsessed. But they've kindly sent me some activewear pieces, and I've never tried Berlook activewear before. I do have a discount code, guys, so don't worry, I will share it with you in a sec. I can't remember what I've ordered either. This is quite exciting right now. Ooh, some lovely leggings. Wow, look at that. Some navy leggings, and then they've got the light blue crossover waistband, which is so cute. Oh my god, these are so soft. I always like to size up in gym leggings because they're just so tight. Oh my god, these are so soft. What the hell? Okay, I got this top to go with it, which is unusual, isn't it? And the padding, oh my god, the padding is so good. That is going to be so comfy. I just know it already. Okay, this was what I was most looking forward to. How stunning is the colour of these leggings? I can't remember what they're called. Is it coffee, maybe? coffee or something like that. But they looked really nice. They've got like this unique waistband where it's actually got a hole. I don't know if you can see that. It looked really cute in the photo. It's something a little bit different. It's got a little scrunch. But I just thought they were such a nice colour. So I'm excited to try them on. Lovely thick waistband as well. And then there is a top to go with it, I believe. Yes, here you go. Oh, don't you just love a matching gym set? This is, oh, so soft. Oh my god, that's so nice, because look at the crossover back as well. Guys, can I just say, these pieces have been sat in a bag for like over a week, and I've been dying to open them, but I had a bit of self-control. Also, that's probably why some of them are quite creased though. Oh, what's this? Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. I saw a picture of the model wearing this. Oh, these are so nice. I love the colour. Oh my god. So it's the same as the ones before with that bit on the back. I don't know what the colour of these is called, but it's just slightly lighter. And then I saw her wearing it with this colour top, which again, same as before, but now we've just got a lighter colour. But it was this with this. Like, that is going to be stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Sorry, this is quick fire. Oh my god, what's this? Okay, then, oh, so many matching gym sets. Wow, this is so fun. Okay, these are interesting. I feel like these are like, you need to try them on something. But it comes with, it doesn't come with, sorry. I chose this. Oh my god, that's so nice. It's, oh my god, does anyone else's Cocker Spaniel do this? American Cocker. Right there? What's that noise? Is that my camera? What the hell? My camera quite literally sounds like it's about to explode. That's... What the hell? Okay, I'll just have to hold it for now. It was this, navy and white at the back. That is just lovely. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Last but not least, this is quite hard to show you with one arm. We have the same again, but in this lovely like purpley colour, which is, oh, my hair, it's a bit different. Yeah, it's a bit different, but I thought that was so autumnal and cute. The quality of these pieces, I'm so impressed. Okay, and then we have the same again, but a different colour to match. Sorry, I'm not really showing you very well, but I'm sure you can see better in the trial. It's just given me a whole new burst of gym motivation already, actually. And my discount code is, let's not mess this up. Where's my phone? It's over there. It's Lara BK. I think it's just Lara BK for 20% off, guys. 20%. Do not miss out. 20%. Isn't that right, Miles? You're so cute. It's like my little velvet cushion. I also picked up a few other bits when I went into town this morning, so I wanted to quickly show you. I went to Zara and I got a new one of these classic bomber jackets. I did used to have one, but it was too small for me, and I feel like it's just like, they've upgraded them, you know. I got it in medium because I quite like it, a bit baggier. What else did I get from Zara? I got two brown dresses, which are actually really nice. They're definitely like summery holiday dresses, because I'm just, you know, got no more holidays booked, but I'm manifesting that I will have another holiday. But I've already hung them up, so I won't show you them. I did also treat myself, it's currently still connected, but the chocolate coloured PJs, like honestly my favourite thing in the world is buying new pyjamas. I have an addiction and I can't even tell you how excited I am to put these on this evening. I could cry. I didn't even pick this out, my mum did. I love it. I should know I'm gonna love it. I think it was Urban Outfitters, but that colour is right up my street. It's the next day. I've got my new gym top on. I love it so much. I love the colour, it's so soft. I'm actually getting my nails done today, which is They're really long overdue, like, look how grown out they are. Like, that's actually quite embarrassing. So I'm gonna get them done. I think it was my last vlog where I was saying, like, am I too late for the polka dot trend? Because I just feel like I missed out. I want to get, like, I haven't got my nails done in so long. I might have breath all the time. So I really want to get some sort of like brown polka dots. I'm gonna do it. He has. I got this cardigan, guys, from Zara. It is Zara new in, so how gorgeous. Like, I fear you all need to run to Zara to get this cardigan. It is so thick and so soft. I was even gonna put my brown Taz pants on, but I fear that might be too much brown. I wore these for the first time the other day, and it was a joyous moment, to say the least. Girls, oh my god, are you not obsessed? I love them. This is exactly what I wanted, guys. I just think they're so cute because it's a bit of autumnal vibes, but still, I don't know. Oh, I just think they're so cute, aren't they? Guys, I wanted to quickly show you a couple of PR packages that have very kindly been sent this week because it's just quite exciting, to be honest. We have a PR package from Pop-Tarts. Like, are you serious right now? Yeah, actually serious right now. We have Frosted Chocotastic, Frosted Chocolate Orange, and Strawberry Sensation. I'm sorry, like, Pop-Tarts. The Pop-Tarts. It's for some sort of, like, NFL. Well, I know, like, it's for the NFL. I don't quite understand is this a handwritten letter? Hey Lara, it's so excited to have you on board this campaign with Pop-Tarts. This campaign is all about showcasing fun NFL game day rituals and snacking moments with Pop-Tarts. Cute. What is this, an NFL bottle opener? Who can I give that to? Because, yeah, it's not quite my thing. An NFL glass too. That's actually very cool. I've been sent some things from Nutrifine. We have collagen peptides with amino acids, and then also these hormonal. Oh, they look nice. Hormonal balance gummies because, girls, I am a PMS. No, what's the other one? I'm a PMDD girl. Am I don't know. Never been diagnosed, but also, like, I'm so jealous of the girls that, like, don't really experience severe PMS symptoms, okay? I'm just saying, like, I'm jealous. I'm really jealous because I get them all. I get angry. I get sad. Anyway, it's fine because I've got some hormonal balance gummies now, so excited to try. Anyway, also just wanted to very quickly show you my first purchase for the new flat, which doesn't exist yet. Like, we still don't have a flat. I don't know if anyone's been watching, like, my last vlog where I was viewing a flat in London. The process is still underway, okay? There's an apartment complex that I really, really love. I don't think I vlogged it. I viewed it. One of the flats we wanted got taken. The flat I wanted got taken, which I'm really upset about. But there are a couple left in the complex. Not the ones I wanted, but, you know, you've got to trust the process, don't you? I may not know what flat I'm living in, guys, but I know what my duvet cover is, so it's all going to be okay. This is the one from H&M Home. I just love, like, the effect of it, and I love the colour. I think it's perfect. I don't think we're actually going to be in the flat for autumn, and it's going autumn, isn't it? But you know what? It's fine. It's such nice quality as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon, I guess. Bye.